So in the question we have that a tap supplies water at 10 degrees Celsius. So let's take tap 1 and tap 2. So tap 1, let's consider tap 1 supplies 10 degrees Celsius of water. And another tap, that is tap 2, supplies 100 degrees of water. We should find out the amount of hot water that must be taken, means that should be there, so that we get 20 kgs of water, of water at 35 degrees Celsius. So TR, or the resultant temperature, is 35 degrees Celsius. And let mass of water in tap 1 be M1 and mass of water in tap 2 be M2. So they've told that we should get 20 kgs of water. So M1 plus M2 is equal to 20 kgs. Let this be the first equation. We know TR is equal to M1 S1 T1 plus M2 S2 T2 by M1 S1 plus M2 S2. TR is 35 degrees Celsius and M1 is mass of water in tap 1. Specific heat of water, we know it is 1. Temperature is 10 degrees Celsius. Plus M2 is the mass of water from tap 2 into S2 will be 1 into T2 is 100 degrees Celsius by M1 S1 is 1 plus M2, because S2 and S1 both are equal to 1. And here we have M1 plus M2 is 20 kg. So M1 into 10 plus M2 into 100 by M1 plus M2 is 20 kgs. So this is equal to, so 700 equal to 1 M1 into 10 plus M2 into 100. 0, 0, 0 will get cancelled. So 70 is equal to M1 plus 10 M2. From equation 1, that is this equation, we get M1 is equal to 20 minus M2. So by replacing the value of M1 in this, we get 70 is equal to 20 minus M2 plus 10 M2. So 70 minus 20, that is 50, is equal to 9 M2. So M2 is equal to 50 by 9. So as this is the hot water and this is cold water, we found the mass of hot water that must be taken so that we get 20 kg of water at 35 degrees. So the option is 2.